Wow, that's all I can say is wow. When I think back, so farm girl from Kansas, right? Never would have dreamed that I would be standing here. I wanted to study art. It was actually my high school physics teacher that said maybe you should think about engineering. He started me on a path that ultimately led here. Loads of people to thank. So one of my best friends, right, who's been with me 35 years, is here celebrating with me tonight, was a colleague studying engineering. Countless mentors, coaches, advocates, allies over a 30-plus year career. And again, would not be here without them. Following in the footsteps of two tremendous female inductees, right, also from the Hall of Fame that I've had the true privilege of knowing and working with since joining BASF. It's just been a truly incredible journey. Most importantly, I have to thank my husband, right? You don't get here yourself. He is truly my partner in every way possible. He has supported me late nights, holidays, when the plant's down, and helped me not only build a career that I love and am incredibly passionate about, but also build a beautiful family with two boys. I am truly blessed, and thank you all for being here. Here's to the women in manufacturing. Thank you.
BASF. We create chemistry.